Hi friends, welcome to SSCG Electrical. In this video, I am going to discuss about some of the important models for SSCG Paper 2 conventional exam. See here, an iron choke coil takes 4 ampere when connected to 20 volt DC supply and it takes 5 ampere current when connected to 65 volts AC supply. Okay, so determine resistance and inductance of the coil. So for the given question, the diagram will be like this. So iron choke coil is the combination of resistance and inductance component. So it appears to be like this. This is the iron choke coil. This is the resistance and this is the XL component. And this has been connected to some voltage source. So plus minus, and here in the first case we have to calculate resistance and inductance of the coil. So I current is flowing through this, resistance and inductance of the coil. So R equals to V by I here, because in case of iron choke coil actually, so Z equals to V by I we usually take, Z equals to V by I we usually take in case of iron choke coil. But in case of first case, that is iron choke coil connected to DC supply, in case of DC supply what happens? So Z equals to R plus Jx. Here reactance component becomes 0 because X equals to 2 pi FL. XL equals to 2 pi FL. So frequency is 0 in case of DC supply. Therefore X component is 0 here. Therefore only resistance only will appear here. That is why we have taken R equals to V by I. Okay, so R equal to V by I, we have to calculate how much voltage, that is 20 volt is connected, that is current is 4 ampere. So how much, that is 20 by 4, that is 5 ohm, 5 ohms resistance. This is 5 ohms resistance. Inductance of the coil also we can calculate. So you can see this is the case 1. So in case of case 1 it is connected to 20 volt DC supply. In case of case 2 it is connected to 5 amps, that is 65 volts AC supply. So then what happens? Z equals to V by I, that is voltage is 65 volts by the current is 5 amps current. So how much? That is 13 ohms impedance you have got. Z equals to 13 ohms. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the inductance. For calculating inductance what we need? So XL equal to 2 pi FL, XL equal to 2 pi FL. For calculating XL, that is L component we have to calculate. For that you need to calculate the XL. If you know the XL, frequency also you know that 50 Hz. So you can easily calculate the inductance here. So XL is equals to root over Z square minus R square. Z equals to 13, that is 13 square minus resistance is 5 square. So root over 169 minus 25, what you will get? 169 minus 25, that is 144. Therefore 12 you are getting, that is 12 ohms reactance you are getting. So based on this you can calculate the inductance, that is, so L equals to XL by, from this you can see XL by 2 pi F, XL by 2 pi F, that is XL means how much? 12 by 2 into pi means 3.14 into F means 60 H. Okay, the given frequency. Sorry, here frequency is 50 Hz given. 50 Hz. Just simplify this, you will get the answer. So if you simplify, you will get 0.038. 0.038 Henry will get. Okay. If you convert this into millihenry, what you will get? 38. Okay, 38 millihenry you will get. So here you got the resistance and reactance. Resistance and reactance of the coil you have got it. And second one, and in the second question power factor he is asking, and in case of iron choke coil you know the power factor cos pi equals to R by Z. So based on that you can calculate the power factor. So for second question, power factor, that is cos pi equals to R by Z. Okay, in case of case 1 what happened? The impedance becomes only resistive component only, that is by R by R only, because it is connected to DC supply. Therefore there won't be any reactive component, R by R you will get, that is power factor is unity. Power factor is unity. In case of case 1 it is. In case of case 1 power factor unity you are getting. And in case of case 2 what you will get? In case of case 2 power factor cos pi equals to R by Z. R you know that you already calculated, that is 5 by Z. How much you got? 13. So 5 by 13. So this is the power factor in case of case 2. So these are the required solution for given question. So if the question is given about iron choke coil, you have to calculate like this. You have to draw the diagram first, and later in detail you have to write for each one. For resistance of the iron choke coil, R equals to V by I, you have to calculate. And in case of case 1 and case 2, how you are getting, you can calculate. Okay, and you can see the complete answer in detail. So now you can easily understand. For iron choke coil, this is the diagram. This is the resistive component, this is the reactance component, and this is the voltage source. So in case of case 1, coil connected to 20 volt DC supply. So coil connected to 20 volt DC supply, that is where we have taken I equal to V by R, only resistive only will appear, have frequency 0 here. Therefore R equal to V by I, you calculated 5 ohms you got. So resistance of coil is 5 ohms. So in case of case 2, when coil connected to 55 volts 50 AC supply, so what you have taken? Z equals to V by I, so 13 ohms you got it. And for calculating the inductance, you need the reactive component XL unit. So that is why you have used this Z component. Okay, so Z you have calculated root of Z square minus R square, you got this answer, and substitute here you got this answer. Okay, so in the second case he asked power factor. For power factor, you know that for power factor cos pi equal to R by Z, therefore R by R equals to 1 unity power factor. In case of case 2, Z equals to 13 ohms, so power factor equals to R by Z, that is 5 by 13, 0.384, lagging because it is a inductive here, inductive in nature. The iron choke coil is inductive in nature, that is why lagging you have taken. And this diagram also you can observe. In case of case 1, only resistive component only will appear here, that is why reactive component you have taken 0. So the R equals to 5 ohms, you have got it like this. In case of case 2, reactive component will appear here, so Z equal to R plus JXL you have taken. Okay, so this is about important model regarding iron choke coil. And thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.